Hello, my dear students. Welcome back from holidays. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Hope you all are well and must have completed your notebook work. So, today, in this video, we are going to read chapter number 3, that is articles. Now, let us understand what are articles. Articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. An and the are called articles. The articles a, n and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. Have a look on these examples. Richa is a girl. She is an honest girl. The sun rises in the east. There are two types of articles. One is indefinite articles and the other one is definite articles. A and N are indefinite articles. They are used to speak of someone or something for the first time. They are used with a noun in general. Now let us understand the rules of articles. A is used before a consonant. About this you have already studied in your previous classes. Here, tiger, cap, pencil. The word is starting with a consonant. So that is why we have used article A. The second rule is important. Also before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. A 1 rupee coin, a European, a utensil. Let us understand with example. Here it is written, he is a European. Here, European is starting with a vowel. So we would have used an. Why we have used a? Because when we pronounce the word European, the sound of a consonant Y is coming. That is why we have used a. Next example, Rohan is wearing a uniform. Again the same thing. Though it is starting with a vowel, but the sound of a consonant Y is coming. Uniform. That is why we have used the article a. Now let us read the rules of the usage of N. N is used before a noun which starts with a vowel. About this also you have studied in your previous class, that if a word is starting with a vowel, we use N. Example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream. Again here, the second rule is important. We use N before a word which starts with a vowel sound or a silent H. Here in the example you can see it is written NR. Though the word is starting with consonant, but we have used the article N. And why so? Because here H is silent, and if we pronounce the word R, the sound of a vowel is coming. R, A. That is the reason we have used the article N. The same thing goes with the next example. An honest man. Again H is silent, and when we pronounce this word honest, the sound of a vowel O is coming. That is why we are using the article N. So, you must remember that the criteria for the use of a or n before a word is the sound of the word and not the spelling of the word. Now, let us study about the definite article the. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. Let us understand it with example. Here you can see it is written, we have a test tomorrow. Now the word test when it is mentioned for the first time, we have used the article a. Now let us read the second part. We want to do well in the test. Now here the word test, when it is mentioned for the second time, we have used the article the. So this is the difference. When we mention anything for first time, we use a, and the when second time. The is used when there is only one such thing of its kind. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon. We use the before the names of famous buildings. Example, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Before the names of holy or important books. Example, the Gita, the Bible. Before the special names of our rivers, seas, oceans and countries. Example, the USA, the UK, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. Now, let us solve the exercises from the textbook. Here in exercise 1, it is saying, complete this conversation using an and the. Joseph, I have got a job in a new company. I am going to join on Monday. Simon, what's the office like? Joseph, well, it has a reception, a dozen or so cabins, conference hall, a cafeteria that serves a lot of mouth-watering dishes. Here are because the words are used for the first time. The world's best coffee and a video conferencing room equipped with latest instruments. It also has an enormous dining area. Now starting with vowels, so N is here. Simon, that's fantastic. Where is it? Joseph, it's next to the post office. Simon, does it have a generator in case there is a power cut? Joseph, yes, it does. Now, here, exercise 2 is a homework for you. The students, those who have got the kit, they will solve the exercises in the book, and those who have not got the kit, they can copy down this exercise in their notebook. So students, exercise number 3 and exercise number 4, you are going to solve these exercises in the book. The remaining part of exercise 3 and here exercise 4. So you are going to solve the exercises in the textbook. The images of the exercises I will be sending through PDF.